just like Terra Madre, the living earth, the Mother Earth, was reduced to terra nullius, the empty earth, the living seed, the very source of life, the very beginning of food, was reduced to an empty container, to be genetically modified, to now genetically edited. And all the steps in what is called improvement of the seed are in effect a violation of the sacredness of the seed. For me, the seed is the ultimate sacred, because it is the very expression of self-organization. Having been saving seeds now since 1987, for me it's a miracle that I can plant a tiny mustard seed and it'll give me 1,000 mustard seeds. And meantime, it'll give me the greens with which I make the saag. It'll give me the oil seeds that I'll be able to cook with. It'll give all the pollinators and the butterflies and bees their food. One little seed holds all of this potential of abundance.